Nice everyone, Fabio Santos again with a few more drills for you to improve your macaco. So there are a few levels of this drill. I'm gonna show the basic one and then you can progress on the level. So when I ask which exercise that you are, you can just put level 2, level 3, each one that you are doing. Level number 4, I'm gonna immediately, as I push off the hip, I'm lifting the opposite leg. If I'm using my right hand, I'm using my left leg to go up. But I don't go up and then use the knee. I wanna use this is the movement. Let me show you. So I tested first the distance there. So I'm gonna start here already first. And as I'm gonna go up, I push. I don't do this and then push, yeah? It's hip low. Look that my shoulder is not in line with my wrist yet. But when I jump, it moves my head that way. And this is what we're trying to achieve for the macaco. So I'm here. So when I jump, look where my knee is. It's gonna go there, okay? And this hand is reaching out for the wall. So I'm here, and then I go. Of course, you not go as high as I am at the beginning. It might be baby step, and it's normal. That's why some of the other drills that you practice, like the single leg bridge switch and all that, that's always gonna help you to step up on this. Send the video, record sideways ideally, practice both ways. And of course, any discomfort on the shoulder or anything like that, let me know. Don't do too many in the rows, okay? I'm gonna tell you how many you're gonna do on your program. Hope you're well, and I see you on the next one.